Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to increase your Shopify conversion rate. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. A high conversion rate means turning more of your store visitors into paying customers. First, on your dashboard, click on Online Store. Then, click Edit Theme on your active theme. Navigate to your default product page and look at the left sidebar. Click Ad Block right under your product price and select Text. Use this space to add clear trust signals. You can write free shipping or a money-back guarantee. Showing this directly on the product page removes buyer doubt. Next, let us speed up your checkout. Go to your settings and click on Checkout. Look at the Customer Contact Method section. To reduce friction, make sure you allow customers to check out using either their phone number or email. Right below that, look for the option regarding customer accounts. Make sure it is set to Accounts are optional. Forcing people to create an account before buying is a major reason they abandon their carts. Now, look at the customer information section. Make sure unnecessary fields, like company name, are set to Do Not Include. The fewer fields a customer has to fill out, the faster they will finish their purchase. Finally, let us check your marketing settings. Scroll down to the Marketing Opt-in section. Under Email, make sure your display location is set to Checkout. This ensures a sign-up checkbox appears so you can legally capture emails and recover lost sales later. Once you are done changing these settings, click Save in the top right corner. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to increase your Shopify conversion rate. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.